1, 2, 3. Looks like 4 engines. E780.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.96. Track 1.
Yeah, the reason why I'm staying in the truck is it's getting too hot for me. What's up, man?
You should have told me you're coming today.
Oh.
I was sitting home all day doing nothing.
My bad, I forgot.
You told me I would have came.
Yeah, it is alright though. I wasn't sure you coming or not, so I didn't know how to reach you at all. Look at it, go. Here goes something.
I couldn't take the heat. That was killing me.
I don't blame me. That's why I was staying in the truck. All day it was in the 60s, the lower 60s, 67. About 9, 10 o'clock. Okay, getting hot.
And it's such the humidity too.
Yeah.
Sweat was just rolling down my face.
Oh yeah.
I said, I gotta get rid of this hair.
Yeah. But by 12 o'clock, I went and got lunch, came back, and been in my truck ever since.
Yeah, I feel the cool air. It feels good.
Yeah, that's why I think, you know what? This train would be number 12.
I think this could be a long one.
Yeah.
This might be one of them 200 axle ones.
Maybe.
We've been having them through here.
Yeah, same thing
with the 4 engines, I think this one might be one of them.
Yeah, I've seen some going through Gettysburg Station at the Met sub. I've seen them as long ones in 544 axles or better. I've seen them before.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I say 200 axle?
Yeah, I know what you mean though.
I meant 200 cars.
I know what you mean.
Yeah.
It's 200 plus.
Yeah, I think the most we've seen is 212 cars.
Damn. Yeah, Edwin was saying last time it was like last E780, I think it was last week. I think it was like 900 something axles.
Wow.
Like, I don't know.
Yeah, they're pushing it to the limits.
Yeah. Especially, yeah. So he's still coming out.
Yep.
But if it is 544, that means 4 engines with 130 cars. But it's more than 544. You're not gonna be 200 plus. Question is, how many? That's Baltimore High Railroad I'm talking to. Nope. Who's calling me? Hey, mama.
Boy, is it warm out here in the sun.
Oh, yeah. Hey. If you're the master of the Pim Daddies, I want to talk to you.
Hey, Phil. How you doing?
I'm doing alright. I got Empty Coal going by me now, but what's up?
Oh, okay. I'll just tell you what. When you get done, call me.
Hey, Dad. I'm in the truck, so don't worry about it. It's alright. I can still talk to you.
Okay.
So what's up?
So when are you leaving?
About half hour. About 5, 1.
Okay. What are we doing about Jen then? Besides that.
You really want to know? You're pawing animal?
Ooh, baby.
Oh my God, what am I going to do with you, old man?
Give me a couple of girls. Anyway, so you're leaving in what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, roughly about half hour, roughly.
Okay.
And, because right now this train is long. I don't know how long, but he's still going.
Okay.
So, but yeah, I'm planning to leave around 5. So that's what I'm planning on. But definitely Corey, I'm gonna leave.
Alright.
So,
Okay, well, so I guess we'll talk to you later.
yes, master.
And don't you forget it. I'm the master of the pimp daddies and anything else.
Yeah.
Alright, later, Phil.
Alright, Dad, I love you. Oh, what am I gonna do with him? Alright, let's see. He comes to us in. There's Baltimore High Railroad. License plate to him. Let's see how many axles he has.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.96. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 704. End of transmission.
704. Alright, nice. Nice.